Hi guys, welcome to my channel TechDroid. Even though using costly mobile, did you feel it? Your phone is still hanging? Don't worry, please don't skip this video. First trick, go to settings, then go to internal storage option. We shall clear cached files. It, it is really worthless files we can delete. Then the second trick is go to developer options. If your phone doesn't have developer option, then go to about device, software info. Please click 4 to 5 times on the build number. If you have developer mode, it shows to no need to click. Then go to developer options. There is options for window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. Please off it. It may be known for some people, but it is very useful. Then go to your file manager, then to DCIM file, click show hidden files on setting. Then there is thumbnails, we can delete it. If you do done these three tricks, your phone will amazingly perform like rocket. Yes, thank you guys.